Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Ward and I wanted to share with you really quick about my story with Protandim. So I have had migraine headaches since I was really little, and then I started having seizures after I had my second child. So I was diagnosed with epilepsy. After that I of course was given a lot of different kinds of medications to try and help. The last time that I was on medicine, I was taking 8 different kinds all at once, and unfortunately it still was not helping. I was still continuing to have seizures, nothing was controlled. So once I was introduced to Protandim, I decided I wanted to do some research. So I went onto PubMed.gov and I looked at all the studies that had to do with oxidative stress and epilepsy or seizures. So once I read all those and saw all of the science that was behind it, I decided it was something that I really wanted to try. So the first month I honestly didn't notice anything. The second month I started noticing a few things, but it was in the third month that I started noticing a major difference. I was sleeping better. I wasn't waking up in the middle of the night. When I did wake up in the morning, I was feeling more refreshed. I wasn't exhausted. My hands had stopped shaking. And the most important part, of course, is I was having less seizures. So as time went on, I stopped having seizures, and I decided I wanted to be taken off all of my medication. I wanted to only be on Protandim. So with the help of my doctor, we slowly reduced my dosage to be taken off all of them. So now the only thing that I'm on is Protandim, and I have been seizure-free for over 2 years. And really that's the reason why I wanted to share with you my story, because Protandim really has given me, emotionally and physically my life back. When I was having all the seizures, I wasn't able to care for my family. I had lost my job, lost the ability to drive, and really Protandim has given me all of that back. I'm able to do anything that I want now and not have to worry about when and where I'm going to have a seizure. So since I've told everything pretty quickly, I wanted to let you know if you do have any questions about any of the details about my story, please feel free to reach out and ask me. I'd be happy to answer any questions. I do recommend that you take that leap of faith and give it a try, because it really can help you. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.